What's the meaning of chamberlain? Chamberlain. Chamberlain.
Chamberlain. Chamberlain. Chamberlain is a noun that refers to a servant or attendant who is responsible for the management of household affairs, especially in a royal or noble household. The term can also refer to an officer of a court or monarch who manages ceremonial or administrative duties. In modern times, the term chamberlain is often used to denote a high-ranking official who is responsible for managing the affairs of a particular organization or institution. Overall, chamberlain implies a position of trust and responsibility related to the management of important affairs and duties.